Let's solve this together. It says 3 raised power a is equal to 225, 5 raised power b is equal to 225. We're going to solve for ab divided by a plus b. Okay. First things first, we can take this first equation. Okay, it says 3 raised power a is equal to 225. If you take the logarithm of both sides, so we have the logarithm of 3 raised power a is equal to the logarithm of 225. Okay. Now, this now can be written as a multiplied by logarithm of 3 is equal to logarithm of 225. Hence, our a is equal to log of 225 divided by log of 3 is our a. Okay, so let's write this here, that a is equal to log 225 over log 3. Okay, now moving on from here, we now have that the second equation says that 5 raised power b is equal to 225 as well. Okay, if you take the logarithm of both sides again, we're going to have that b will be equal to log of 225 divided by log 5. Okay, so we can write by the side here that b is equal to log 225 divide log 5. Okay, that's our b. Now solving for ab divided by a plus b. Okay, now we have to first solve for ab, then we solve for a plus b, and then divide. Alright, so we have that our ab from what we solved will be equal to a is log of 225 over log 3. B is log of 225 divided by log 5. Okay, now our a plus b on the other hand is equal to the same thing but plus now. Okay, adding up, this becomes equal to log 3 multiplied by log of 5. Log of 3 times log of 5 divided by log of 3 is log of 5. So we have log 225 times log of 5 plus log 225 times log of 3. Okay, so this is all over log 3 times log 5. Alright, AB divided by a plus b is equal to, our AB is what? Log of 225 times log 225. Okay, so you can just write log of 225 squared divided by log 3 times log 5. Now multiplied by, this will be inverted. Okay, so a plus b is inverted. Now we have log of 3 times log 5 divided by log of 225 multiplied by log of 5 plus, okay, we have log of 225 multiplied by log of 3. Okay, now at this point you can see that log of 3 times log of 5 takes log of 3 times log of 5. Okay, so then we now left with log of 225 squared. Alright, now this becomes equal to log of 225 squared can cancel out here and take one of this log of 225. So we have that what's remaining is log of 1 log of 225 divided by log of 5 plus log of 3. Okay, alright, now this is equal to log of 225 divided by log of 5 plus log of 3 as log of 15. Okay, because 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, now this is equal to log of 15 squared divided by log of 15. Okay, and this becomes equal to 2 multiplied by log of 15 divided by log of 15, which is equal to 2. Okay? So AB over A plus B is equal to 2. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.